What's up, traders? I hope you are fine. A lot of people asked me in the why I expected today's pump because I claimed that. And yes, guys, I posted that actually. Today's pump was easy to predict because actually we had this pretty clear falling wedge pattern in the smaller time frame has formed, and together with it, we had bullish divergences in RSI and other indicators as well. So this pump was really expected here. Okay. My mistake was to think that the pump would be much smaller. Okay, I thought, okay, I had drawn a channel here, and I thought this is it. They would probably take out here the late shorters here. Okay, take them out, and then make the price drop further. That's what I thought. And that was a mistake, and I will tell you why. So guys, let me start like this. If you're a whale and you did short Bitcoin here, because it looks like they did it, right? It looks like they shorted Bitcoin here, creating this supply zone, because what they need to short is actually buy orders, and this is buying, okay? Buy orders. Here you have more buy orders in the market than sell orders. This is why the price goes up. It's actually the reason why the price moves. When you have more buy orders in the market, the price moves up. When you have more sell orders, then the price goes down. So in order to short Bitcoin, the whales need a lot of buy orders, and that's what they had here if they did short Bitcoin. Okay, so then the price goes down. Okay, but the theory says that they are not able to fill all their positions they want to fill because there's not enough liquidity. So what they do is, guys, they make the price come back to the same range where they initially sold, went short. They do that by taking some of the profits off. Okay, they take some profits off, and that makes the price then go up, because when they are in short positions and then they have sellers here, okay, people are selling, and then if you want to close a short position, what you need, guys, is a buy orders in the market. Similar to when you want to sell, you need buyers, okay, you need buy orders to sell. If you want to close a short position, you need sellers. It's the opposite. Okay? If they want to sell, they need buyers, and if they want to close a short position, they need sellers, because closing a short position, guys, is actually buying. If you want to close a short position, you need to buy. It's the same thing. You understand? Regardless if you stop it out or take profit, closing a short position is always similar to buying. And to buy, what do you need? Sellers. Okay, when they have enough sellers here, what they do is they take some profits off, and then the price, as a result, goes back up, back to their entry, where they then fill more short positions, as you see here. Okay, they fill remaining orders, make the price go down. This is maybe the last supply zone here. Okay, they use these buy orders, these last buy orders here, to fill their remaining positions. Let's say they filled their remaining short positions here. What happened is then the price came back to that supply zone and dropped further, right? So that's why I thought, if this is the case, if the whales went short here, they wouldn't try to make the price go back up again. So they probably had filled all their orders here and here. Okay, that's what I thought. But as you see, price went back into the supply zone again. The reason can be that many people were short today, right? A lot of people were short. What do people do when the price goes higher? And let's say they went short and they close their short positions, they get stopped out. What do? They place buy orders, right? Because closing a short position is buying. So when they buy, they make the price go up. That's fuel for the price to go up. Also, the late shorters. Let's say you try to short here, you say the price goes up and you want to short, okay? And then the price goes higher. What do? You also stop out your short position, right? So many people who tried to short here stopped out. So did I as well. I tried to short here. That was a mistake. And what I did is I got stopped out immediately. And so I made the price go higher as well. You understand? So the people who get stopped out here also make the price go higher. And that's easy actually to get this then, okay? All the people who were short here, imagine they are short, they get stopped out. What do? They place buy orders, and that makes the price go up. That's it, guys. Easy math. So, this is if the whales actually went short here. But there's another theory, another option, guys. And that's why I posted the bullish version since many days. So as you know, I was actually bullish for 8K. Reason being is, guys, if the whales want to make the price go down here to take profits from their short positions, what they need is sellers, right? They need people to sell here to take profit. Do you think people would sell here? Or sell? Or let me explain it like this. When they make the price go down here, would it be easier for them to take profits? Or would it be easier for them to take profits if they make the price go higher here? Okay, and all the breakout traders and so on, they start to long Bitcoin because it broke out here, okay? FOMO and all the people who get stopped out here, who shorted here, also place buy orders because stopping out a short position is buying, so they also buy, price goes up. And what do the whales then have? They have enough buyers so they can sell more. Easy. Okay? So actually what I think is, that's why I posted my bullish ideas since many days until I had the mind fuck today. So this one was a mistake today, okay? A small mistake. Happens to traders sometimes. But yeah, that was because I was initially short since yesterday, and then I had a mind fuck. So let's say, guys, the whales went long here already. Okay, let's say the whales longed here. Of course, they cannot fill all their positions because when they long, the price goes up. They need enough sellers. So what they do is they take some profits off here. Okay, let's say the supply zone. All right, look now. They longed here, okay? What they then do is they longed here, right? But they couldn't fill all their positions, so they take some profits off here, causing the price to go back down. So they can, here again, they take some profits off because when the price would go higher here, then they cannot fill all their orders, so they take some profits off. That's why the price immediately drops. And here again, guys, they can fill more orders. Okay, they decided because they had enough sellers here, they had enough sellers, they could fill more positions. Okay, so let's say they longed here, okay, and they have enough long positions. They are filled, okay, with two big orders. 2 times they placed it, they are filled already. Let's say they are filled. They don't need to make the price drop down again. Okay, they did it here already, they did it here, make the price go down, and now they just let it develop. Okay, price goes higher, so now they take profits off. Imagine, now they take profits off because they have buyers here. They can take profits off their sell positions and then buy again here. Okay, they buy again here because people are selling again. They have sellers. They buy again here, but because they are not filled, Okay, this is their first profit taking range, if you want. So they longed here. What they do is they take profit, make the price go down, long more, fill the remaining positions. Guys, I hope it's clear. Okay, this is actually a demand zone here in the 1 hour chart with the bullish engulfing, and then later on this demand here, as you see, made the price reverse. This is where they filled more orders. So again, we have a new demand zone. Then guys, they again took profits off from their longs to fill more long positions because they couldn't get filled here. Okay, they had here, they took profits off here, but after they took profit, they did relong here. All right, they did relong here. So they want to fill their remaining positions. What do they do? They take profits off. So this is not shorting, guys. They only take profits off. Imagine that, okay, from their long positions. So as a result, the price drops. They fill the remaining parts of their long positions then again at the same price because they always like to buy actually at the same price. But because they cannot do it, because there's not enough liquidity, what do is they buy and then make the price come down and then buy the rest of the part they want. Hope it's clear so far. So they longed again. Probably they filled their orders, okay? And if they filled their orders here and here, guys, actually they don't need to take profits here anymore. They don't need to take profits here anymore because they are filled, okay? Their bags are filled. So what could happen then if their bags are filled? Simple. They just make the price go higher, okay? They stop taking profits, so people do the rest, okay? They can only make the price go a bit higher, okay, here. And when they do that is people who were short from here, they get stopped out. When they get stopped out, they place buy orders, okay? People who get stopped out from short positions place buy orders in the market. So the market is then full with buy liquidity that makes the price goes up automatically. Okay, people also, retail traders, buy into the FOMO, and then the whales have again enough buyers to make what? To take profits for their longs that they entered here. That's it, guys. This is it. This is what I tried to explain you and why I actually was bullish until I tried this short scalp here. Yes, I went short here, you know that. Because I'm a trader who tries to catch all the moves, but sometimes you get it wrong, okay? Today was a day where I messed it up. I thought, okay, it might be selling here. Okay, I thought they might be selling here and then make the price go lower. And actually, that's possible. That's still possible. I'm not saying that they longed here and they want the price to go higher. But it makes more sense, guys, because if they are selling here, okay, then imagine, I think it would be harder to have sellers here to close their short positions. It would be easier to have buyers here to close longs instead of having sellers here to close their short positions. So when they go huge with huge amount of orders short here, guys, okay, when they do that, so when they make the price drop here, what do you think people are going to do when the price hits 3K again? They will buy. So will the whales then be able to close their short positions? Hell no, they will not be able to do that because there are not enough sellers here. You understand? That's it. That's why I was bullish actually. And yes, I don't know. It's still possible that this is selling, but guys, damn, we are here. You know, we are here after a drop from 10K, we dropped to 3K. And we are speaking about distribution here. It cannot be that easy. I mean, It can, but okay, we will see that. Okay, so we have the two options, guys. Either they are long from here and they want to take profits off here, because this is probably not enough for them. Okay, they took profits off here, relonged, took profits off here, relonged, and maybe they will stop taking profits and then the price will pump. Wrecked all the shorters here. When the shorters get wrecked, they also place buy orders, the shorters, by closing their short positions, price pumps. And then when the price pumps, then they can take profits from the longs that they have from here and also here. You understand? That's it. Hope this was helpful. Stay safe, fam. Bye bye.